how to install WordPress on Namecheap VPS. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. As you can see right now, I'm currently in Namecheap. And to be able to install WordPress, you're simply going to navigate on your dashboard or your navigation bar at the top, WordPress, and you will be able to see here Manage WordPress Hosting. Simply select this and you will be able to see here EasyWP. You can try it out for free for the first 30 days, and there are multiple platforms or multiple types of plan that you could use, as you can see here. After having this is what you're going to see. You will be redirected to an EasyWP dashboard where you will be able to now manage your WordPress account through the EasyWP found in Namecheap, as you can see here. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.